Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out here at lovely Lake Martin this morning. Getting ready to lake test restore number 88. It's a 10 horsepower Johnson Seahorse, 1955. And it's a light restore, no paint and decals, but fully mechanically restored. Ignition rebuilt, carburetor rebuilt, gear case rebuilt. Take her out on the lake for a boat run. So if everybody's ready, here we go. Alright, got her in the water. Got our island next to this houseboat. Island's pretty good. Let's take her out on the lake for a run. Alright, got her out here on the water. In amongst the beautiful cypress trees. Let's see what she can do. She's a good one. It pushes my John boat, my 14-foot John boat here about 18 miles an hour, which is awesome for a 10 horsepower. Beautiful day out here on the lake. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. Let's take her for a run. I love it. This motor's for a great customer of mine. This must be his 5th or 6th motor he's bought from me. It's for a customer named Ricky. Ricky, she's ready. Come get it when you're ready. Once again, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video. The video here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Click on subscribe. I guarantee to do weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.